you were the face behind starting this MUN.
A team leader is not separate from your team, right? So you have to be a little humble also.
Of course.
It was nerve-wracking. If their target audience is not there, they will turn you away.
Right.
Anything that you start, you will struggle with.
Right.
What is meant for you will come. This is how you lead. What example you set. That's the tone of the entire team.
Delegating MUNs or organizing it. Today, we are honored to invite Susan Pinto, a pioneering figure behind the face of the HLCC MUN 2030. She organized and served as the Secretary General of our very first edition. She completed her bachelor's from Mitchell College and then further moved to Christ University to pursue her MBA in marketing. She excelled in academics and also nurtured in art and craft and also did a lot of things side by side. We welcome you to the show, ma'am.
Thank you.
Obviously we very well know that आपके वजह से ही HLCC MUN start हुआ था. अभी it has been 10 years of this legacy. So we very well know that you were the face behind starting this MUN. Before going into the insights, I would just like to know कि अभी how are you feeling? कल इंडिया जीती है.
So I would just want to correct you. Okay, yeah, there were many faces behind getting HLCC MUN off the ground. There were many people who helped initiate that entire thought, helped make it grow. And yeah, India jeete, I slept very late, but it's a great feeling. Like it's surreal. Yeah.
Okay. So, as one of the founding members of HLCC, what inspired to start you this initiative, and what were the stages that you had planned कि हम ऐसे ऐसे execute करेंगे?
So I had organized an MUN in school, but that was one edition and we left it at that place. We did not take it forward. At that point, there were a lot of schools doing organizing MUNs, but there was no college doing an MUN. When we joined HL, a bunch of us went and participated somewhere, and that is when a senior, Prabhu Kumar, he was my super senior. He kind of told us, okay, hey, you've organized, you know, why don't you start something like this here? So that is when few of us came together. We went to Bharucha sir and we said we want to do this. And knowing Bharucha sir, he was like, let's do. But come to me with a proposal, plan it out so that we can get it going. So the first thought that came when we went to him was like, it was not negative, it was always positive, like Bharucha sir is.
He never
He was
stops
like,
for anything.
yeah.
जो करना है करो. I'm sitting here.
Correct. So that was the same response that we got. So we were like, okay, we are doing this. 5 of us, 7 of us came together. We built it. So everyone was new who was doing, right? But at that point when we were organizing, हमें नहीं पता था that it will come to 10 editions and batches after ours, right? Would continue this legacy. And to see HLCC MUN grow leaps and bounds from what we started to now is a feeling of pride. It's a proud moment for all of us, I think. To see that people are still interested, like juniors 12 years down the line are also still interested to take this forward.
They're very enthusiastic. मतलब उनको सिर्फ काम करना है. The 3 months that वो enjoy we do. मतलब इतना सारा planning. We go to schools. We take orientation. It is such a fun process. I'm sure you also have done it.
It's a different feeling
Yeah.
because now the processes you got a hold of it.
Yeah.
There have been your seniors who've streamlined things.
This is the goodwill that
Yeah. So it is. I'm very happy seeing all the students so interested still down the years that they want to do this. It's a nice way of also developing skills
Bigger
because
and
you're
better.
straight out of school and you're doing so many things that will help you after college as well.
Right.
So you get a lot of insights. You develop skills to talk to people. You learn skills to organize things. You understand nitty-gritties of things, and you have that confidence. Nothing else matters. I think a college student having a confidence that we can do it is the best
Right.
feeling.
So looking at the current edition, so we're entering this 10th year. So this is the 10th edition. So looking back at your first edition, how is it different? मतलब what is the feeling कि आपने 70 delegates से भी we've crossed 780 delegates. So what is that feeling?
You all have grown, I think, 10 times. When we started, we had estimated for 60 delegates, three committees. We were in total with the org com, we were 120 people managing the whole show. We had three committees, we started with it, we had an IP that we did. We had a lot of help from a senior of mine who came on, just a goodwill basis to help us out, to train the team also at HLCC, so that we understood how to do a lot of things. But yes, I'll say that first MUN we may have made a lot of mistakes, but we learned and we grew from it. And I think the second edition was much more bigger. And years later, 10th edition, 780 delegates, and I know the target that you all are aiming at now is way high. I'm so glad.
And obviously, being a part of the organizing committee and leading a team, you must have faced a lot of challenges. You have to deal with a lot of perspectives कि सबका अलग अलग viewpoint होगा. So how did you manage कि हम सबका एक साथ जानेंगे, and how did you do that कि मतलब you have to control your team also. So can you share some of the experiences जो आपने OC में face किए थे?
So it's all about having fun, right? Because you're also making memories. You're a bunch of college students. I feel that even if you have a position, a designation in anything, you're still all doing the same work. It's not like one up above the other. A junior is also the same importance than a person who's leading. And as far as you remember that, as far as you know, your organizing committee is your team. You are not a team leader is not separate from your team, right? You are as good as your team is. So as far as you remember that, and as far as you know how to take everybody's opinions and take them forward, that is what Bharucha sir did very well with us. He leaded us, right? He led us. He led the entire team. He gave us the freedom to make our decisions. He listened to us. So that was an example for us of how to go forward. It's not, you do that I am a leader, so I will just give orders. That's not how an organizing committee functions. So one thing I think I'll tell you, when we were doing events in college, the senior Prabhul, who pushed us to do this MUN, he was someone who believed that there is no work that is big or small. So if you're required to do it, you might just go ahead and do it and not wait for others to, do it because you have a position. So no work is big or small, and as long as everyone is having fun and at the same time learning something, I think that's the success matrix for
what you want.
That's what you want at the end of the day, right? Because
satisfaction.
Yeah, everyone is coming to learn something, and if I can get a junior who's maybe shy, but eventually takes the baton up to be at the forefront.
मेहनत सफल. हमारे में भी like you get the post, but मतलब जब on the day of event you have to do all the work.
Correct.
Doesn't matter आपके पास कौन सी position, आपको chairs भी उठानी पड़ेगी तो उठानी पड़ेगी.
So yeah, exactly. There was a moment in one of the events where there was some performance, and a bunch of seniors. This was a completely different event. A bunch of seniors were cleaning the stage. I mean, and they had no shame, no nothing about it.
Done it.
They
been
were
there.
doing because it is how you show people that okay, I have a title, but at the end of the day, I can do everything.
But it's okay, because everybody is doing it and doesn't look good. क्या position मिल गई था वो ना करो.
It is more like you have to be a little humble also.
Of course.
And I think that if being with Bharucha sir and that's how he's trained his students also. So every batch, the students of HLCC MUN who are organizing it, I am sure they're humble.
Yeah.
They're very happy organizing it. And
Super
they're
happy.
learning a lot. So I'll tell you, the skills that you learn in college will help you even if you're after your college life, right?
Right.
It will help you, like it did in my case.
on the day of the event. So, what pressure did you feel going onto the stage, hitting the gavel?
So I I did not sleep that night. Like a bunch of us. Like I bet all of us did not sleep because we had a lot of checklists
Yeah.
that was constantly going in our
7
heads.
a.m.
Correct. So like you will have like checklists that you have to do this, do
Same,
this, do that.
same.
So all of us, all five of us, had responsibilities that we had to take care of, and it was nerve wracking. I mean, till the last day when everything got over, that is when it sunk in that we have done this successfully. I mean, it was a major feat for us at that time, and I'm sure people who are taking it further ahead now with a bigger committee and bigger, making it bigger and better,
Yeah.
will be on their toes for I think 3-4 months.
Yeah, definitely 3-4 months. बहुत, it takes a lot of work.
Yeah.
When, मतलब, same, we had the same feeling when we were in the last edition. We did not, like my batchmates, I mean, we texted the whole night that what if this goes wrong? ये क्या अगर नहीं हुआ तो? And obviously when we start taking the registrations and उसमें अगर allotment का issue हो गया, then मतलब उन्होंने तो fees भरी है, it is then our fault.
Correct.
It's very stressful.
So now you guys have different departments.
Yeah.
When we started, it was all we did have assigned roles, but it was all that
Everybody's
everybody's
doing
doing everything,
Yeah.
right? So you are doing social media, you are doing registrations, you are there is someone who's designing, there is someone who's not a designer, but I was using I think some software on the phone or on my laptop to make things for social media because it was a new thing for all of us, right? We were seconders, but we were also freshers to organize.
Now we have PR, creative,
now you are
content
mostly
creation, and
yeah.
hospitality. We've
Yeah.
segregated sab kuch. Talking about seeking sponsorship. So, how did you approach back in time? क्योंकि it was the first edition, तो आपके पास कुछ पहले का नहीं था to show the data कि हमने इतने students gather करे थे. मतलब you had to start from scratch. And right now, when we seek sponsorship, we say that yeah, we get this crowd because you've all done it. मतलब हमारे पास relations के भी बच्चे आते हैं, so we have that data क्यों हमको बताए उनको.
So when we started, we did not have anything to show, but we had kind of an understanding, and we reached out to people who could have understood the concept, right? The most important thing is you go to such sponsors where the TJ is involved in this place. If their target audience is not there, they will turn you away. Right. That is very important. So we looked at partners that would help us, and that would gain from us, because that is very important. It was a struggle. It was a big struggle to get sponsors, but we did go to a couple of partners back then, and we managed to get a sponsorship, which was a big deal for our time when we started the first MUN. And back then, I don't think people kind of understood when you went to brands and when you went to people to be like, you sponsor us and you get A, B, C things or whatever. So we would draft sponsorship proposals. That was the first time we did it for MUN. Categorizing what you will get, what you will not. So that whole process was again a learning experience. And it was a struggle, but I think it's better now because you have the numbers to show.
Right.
And
makes a huge difference.
Correct. So yeah, anything that you start, you will struggle with.
Right.
It's not like you will instantly be like, people will come and say, take my money. It's not that.
Yeah.
So yeah, but it was an experience and we learned a lot of things.
So currently looking at the situation of HLCC MUN, अभी 10 साल हो गए. How do you envision it in the future?
I think you should have multiple MUNs, yeah. Multiple MUNs a year, if that is possible.
That is very tough. मतलब, it takes a lot of time.
Yeah.
But like we started the mock edition.
So mock MUN is a very good thing because when we started, we did not have a lot of people understand the concept of the procedures, how do you plan your thoughts, how do you do research and stuff like that, which is very important when you are when you want people to learn something and get something out of it, right? Now I think thanks to your orientations, thanks to mock MUNs that you do, people get an idea of what to expect.
That is the only purpose
Correct.
of mock. के
Correct.
मतलब एक दिन demo देख ले वो, so that they register in the main MUN also. They
Yeah.
get an idea.
which is very important. You
Right.
train people, and that is, I think,
Yeah.
through HLCC Month Society that you guys organize, right? So the whole purpose of nurturing people and nurturing students also to learn and then participate. So when they come to the main MUN, the main event, they are much more informed.
Right.
They are well researched.
Yeah.
They are their entire. It's a process that they follow. So their output and their performance there is also
Aware of the ROPs.
Correct.
Moving on, HLCC MUN से थोड़ा आगे. We'll go into your professional life now. So I've heard that you're from the marketing and the advertising background. So can you please share some of the skills that has helped you to get there?
So I think the most important skill is creativity. You need to understand the nuances. You don't obviously have to write anything, but you need to understand. You need to have like a creative thinking process. Second is you need to understand. You need to be able to think strategically. The strategic thinking is important because you need to understand what your brand stands for, who's your brand audience, who are you talking to, and what do you talk to them about. So that is very important, and I
Proper
think,
planning.
yeah, and communication, that is also
Right.
an important skill.
Mm.
I think if you have these, and you understand the tools also very, like properly, you learn the tools, you learn the analytics side of it, because advertising marketing is also a lot of is driven by insights. It's driven by numbers. It's driven by analytics, right? You need to understand. It's not like you one day get up and be like, I have this thought and I will think of my brand or plan for a brand in this way. It needs to be research driven. It needs to be data driven. So you need to kind of have analytics also strong, like a stronghold on analytics. Learn tools. If someone is getting into digital, social media, or advertising or marketing, for example, learn the tools. I mean, when I got into it, I did not have that exposure. But I think now if people are getting into it, there are a lot of things to learn, a lot of courses that will help you. And yeah, it's a fun area to be in. And at the same time, it is very tedious.
So when I was researching about you, I got to know that you got into your dream company. So how was that experience that within just a few months after joining another company, you got into your dream job? So could you please share some of that experience?
So when I was doing my MBA in marketing, and I always knew I wanted to get into ad agencies, but I didn't know how to because there was no agency coming per se for campus placements, at least in our college, right, from where I studied. But what happened is in one of the college events, again, college events play a big role in my life for some reason. We had an advertising panel discussion, and I had this industry person come from my dream company, Ogilvy, and somehow I was assigned to her. And I don't know if you call it fate or serendipity or destiny. I was assigned to her. I was with her whole time. I kind of connected with her on social media post that event, and I stayed in touch with her for 6 months. But not like, give me a job. It was not like that. It was just normal. So one day she put a requirement on social, on her Facebook, saying, we're looking for someone. And by the time I had taken a college placement. But my end goal was to join ad agency and continue a career in it. So I said, hey, I'm interested. I gave a test. I did all the process. And in 3 months, I had the letter from Ogilvy.
Wow.
I mean, I still have that entry pass that I've kept as a souvenir because that was a dream company. And I think I had juniors who reached out to me saying, in the class, professor said that, there was a student who, made use of networking in college because a lot of industry people come. So when you're in college, networking is very important. You get that exposure, but how you use it and how you create an opportunity for yourself is very important. So but I had a junior tha. He came to me and he said कि यार ये lecture में they said that there was a student who got into advertising and that was due to networking in college, and hence we were told that networking is very important. Was this you? I said yeah. I was like, oh wow, because that was like and I didn't know that this was a anecdote or a thing that my faculty was telling to students, and I didn't know it was motivating for other people. But I think that is when you take networking or meeting people important. Like you take it as it is important, right? Right now in college when we were in grads, we didn't take it as an important thing.
Yeah.
Like हाँ लोग आते हैं लोग जाते हैं.
Lightly ले लिया.
But that is where you make connections, and that won't give you immediate results. Maybe down the line you need something or there is some opening, someone will help you. So that's how I got into Ogilvy.
Connections.
Yeah, exposure, networking, very important.
What is the one piece of advice would you would like to give to the aspirants who want to get in the marketing and advertising agency?
I would just generally to everybody who wanted whatever career path that you choose for, I think my advice would be in your lane, stay in your lane. What is meant for you will come. And if you learn, you do your part, things meant for you will come. So don't worry that person A or person B is doing better than you in your same batch or whatever.
Comparison.
Don't compare. Be in your lane, stay focused, and eventually you will get there. Because I believe एक person का journey is maybe direct. The other person, on the other hand,
Problems
would,
faced. Yeah.
probably would have a longer journey, but you will eventually get where you are supposed to be. And if you make efforts,
Yeah.
you learn things, you develop those skills, you will reach there sooner.
Okay. And the two most important qualities that you believe that are essential for effective team building.
Like asking from leader perspective or
Leader.
So I think to build an efficient team, you need to be very humble if you have a designation. If you've been given a designation to lead, right?
Right.
You need to be humble. Second, you need to be focused on what the objective of the entire team is, because how you lead, what example you set, that's the tone of the entire team.
Yeah. They're gonna follow it.
Correct. And the most important thing, make sure your team is happy.
Yeah.
Because if they're happy, everything will happen. I mean, you will not have to tell them that, or remind them
Do
10
this,
times.
do
Correct.
yeah.
Like you give them the freedom, because I'll tell you, this is what we were being given, right? We
Right.
were offered that on a platter by Barucha sir. I give you freedom, I give you your ability to make decisions, and I will back you. So when you are a leader, you do the same thing. You back your team.
Right.
I think Barucha sir ये बोलते थे कि if कुछ अच्छा होता है
तो तुम लोग
तुम्हारा,
मेरे से गलती
कुछ
हुई तो
बुरा
मेरी।
हुआ तो it's mine.
गलती हुई तो मेरी।
Correct. तो
Still the same.
correct. So I think that is very important.
Right.
If there is something good happening and you
Assurance,
achieve, it's
yeah.
a team thing.
Yeah.
And if it's a bad thing that's happened, so it's on you that you take the onus. So I think that is very important.
Very well, very well. So we're done with the serious segments now. And now we move on to the rapid fire.
Okay.
And you have to answer those questions under 7 seconds.
Under 7 seconds. Okay.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah, feel like coffee is correct.
Okay. Life at HLCC or Christ?
HLCC.
HLCC MUN or Christ MUN?
HLCC everywhere.
Gujarati food or South Indian?
South Indian.
Any favorite?
Dosa.
Okay. Describe HLCC in 3 words.
Friends. Fun. And HLCC.
Of course, says the first section.
And the last section.
Okay. Delegating MUNs or organizing MUNs?
Organize.
What alternative profession would you have pursued if you hadn't been able to enter the marketing industry?
Events.
Event management.
Yes.
Okay. Organizing an event or making an MBA project?
Organizing an event.
3 dream destinations.
Switzerland, London, and New York.
Okay. 3 favorite movies.
Doom 2,
Okay.
ZNMD, and कुछ होता है.
Okay. सबकी favorites है ये. Okay, yeah, we're done with the rapid fire now. This is a token of appreciation
Thank you
from
so
the
much.
HLCCM Society. Thank you.